Hello everyone, Pritika this side from Butternut AI. In this video, I will show you how you can add CTA or call to action buttons onto different sections on the website. So there are two ways of adding the button. So whenever you want to add a button, you just need to take your mouse over to that section. It could be a subsection or it could be the entire section where you want to add a button. So let's say we want to add maybe in client testimonials, we want to add a button page, which will have a lot more reviews and testimonials. So I can click on this add button and it will show me these options, view all. So select a page. So let's say I'm just taking it to portfolio page. I can create a new page on the top and I can point it to that. And I want to keep it a different color from the entire website. And I say save button. So this button will start pointing to that page. Or you can also add an external URL. Maybe you want to take it to some other page or Trustpilot or some other page. You can just click here on external URL and add that URL here. And once you click on this, it will take you to that website. And if you want to see if it is working right or not, you can click on the preview and click on this button and see we added the Butternut.ai link, and hence it is taking us to this page. So this is what we did at the section level, but if you want to do it at a subsection level, if you want to add buttons on in the components of those sections, you will see these add buttons option. You can always click on these and add those buttons. Thank you.